Hey guys, I'm trying to import a website which I did from a demo server. I'm trying to put it live and I'm getting an error, unknown correlation, this, okay? I'm getting this error. So what happened is, let me try to do this again. So this is my database. Let me import my SQL. I believe you have downloaded your SQL somewhere. So this is my SQL, okay? Then let me try to import. So this is a new WordPress. First done it via a demo server, presented to the client. Then he has confirmed it's okay. So we need to put it live on his server. So unfortunately, his server, I think, runs a different version of MySQL from mine. So I usually get this error. And also in your case, it may be the same error that you may get. So you realize, okay, now it has failed. And when I try to import, it gets this problem. Okay, we're going to see how to fix it. Now, let me first take you back. I have this website. Okay, it's already done. So we are putting, as you see, it's like on my server. It's just a demo server where I upload like people's projects before they go live. Okay, slash demo, make money, slash demo, slash fly. The live domain is going to be like this. Let me see, what's the live demo? It's going to be like this actually. Let me just copy this. So I'm uploading it on a live server, this. So right now, actually, because there's nothing, so it's not really loading anything. Okay. It's loading this. Okay. So that's what I'm trying to do. And others, I'm importing it from another server to another server. So what you do is, if you run into this case, you're going to, let me first cross some tabs, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to open the other MySQL, okay? The other SQL. This is the SQL. You're going to find that SQL, this, okay? This. Find and replace. Let me try to do it afresh. You just have to go to, so this is MySQL. You have to go to find. I'm using just Notepad, okay? So let me go to file. Okay, I'm trying to do, okay, edit, replace, okay? So I'm going to tell them like, find this, replace it with this, all right? So I think you can follow. Find this, replace it with this. So in other words, you're going to remove everywhere in your SQL, where it is UTF, whatever, MB4, Unicode, whatever, you're going to put this without that 520 stuff, okay? So I'm going to say replace all. And in my notepad, I think I've replaced all. Okay, now you have to save, but before you save, I think for me, what I do, I usually back up this file so that I have the original. So let me just copy and paste so that I have a version of the original one, just in case, okay? So now let me save this. So let me go back and I try to import again. Okay, let me click on import. Let me browse the file again. This is the original one. This is the copy. Okay, so this is the one which has the changes. So let me click on import. All right, let's give it a few seconds. After importing, we're going also to see how you can rectify the permalinks. Okay, now it has worked. So that's how I do it. As simple as that. I just use a notepad. You just have to open at MySQL, open it in the notepad, and remove everywhere where you see this. Now, because the database is always too big, just to find and replace. You can't really find all these things, it's a lot of code, kind of ugly stuff. So after you're replacing everything, then you just upload. Okay. Now I've finished uploading. Let me check my website. But before I check my website, I have to rectify the link in my database. So let me go to the OP options. Okay, now it's no longer the demo. I'm going to put it on a live so I can just paste the new link. I think let me first copy the link. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see where's my link. It's going to be Fry Express. Okay, so this is the new link. Let me kind of paste it here. And also let me kind of paste it there. Okay, this is the one, this is the one. Okay, so after that, I think I'm done. Let me try to load my website. I think I haven't rectified. Okay, so let me first try to go to my files. Files here. Let me remove the index. I think it's the reason why it's loading the other, you know. Okay, the index is removed. So let me load the website again. Refresh. Okay, so now it can connect, but the database is not configured. Okay, so let me first try to cross those tabs. So let me rectify the database. Let me go to my WP config. I'm having, okay, let me rectify the database. My database is actually called this. Let me first go to, okay, let me first go to this guy. And I get the database details. Where's my databases? Okay, so the database is called this. So let me copy that. WP config. I have to change the database to the new one. The user of my database is Asen. Let me put there. Okay. The password to my database. So let me change this to something. Anyway, let me use this, but I'm going to change it. Okay. Okay, it's just demonstration, but I'm going to reset this. But let me just do it for you so that you can see what happens. Okay. Okay. I'm going to change. Wait a bit. Where are my files? Okay. So let me go to the user. Have to kind of anyway, let me generate another password. Okay, I'm going to kind of cover this a bit so that you guys don't see the password, you know. I think I won't really have time to just do everything. Okay, I've finished putting in the new password. I've kind of changed some few things so that I just don't get hacked by someone watching this video. Okay, so let me just do save. So my files, I've updated the database so that my files can connect to the database. So I think that will fix everything. So let me try to refresh. So when I refresh, I believe my website has to kind of load. Okay, so that is how it is. So the website kind of works. Now the next thing will be to maybe change the permalinks because some of these links usually go to the old demo. For example, if I click on this, you realize actually it jumps from the Fryx place, goes to the old domain, to the old demo server. So I have to kind of log in and update the kind of the username. Okay. So let me kind of hide my logins. Then I'm going to get back to you shortly. Just a minute. Okay, so I've logged in into my website. Then I can go to users. Sorry, I can go to settings, permalinks. So you do this after moving the new WordPress to a new server. So what I'm going to do is you kind of change the permalinks. For example, I want to use the post name. I always use the post name of the websites, but because I want the website to refresh, let me just reset it to plain, then I take it back. Okay, so I just put it to plain, I save. After that, I tick again post name to add how it was, then I save again. In other words, if you do this, the website kind of refreshes itself. It refreshes the links. Most of the links will be sorted out. Okay. Some of them will have to be fixed. Like for example, these ones are manual. So I have to kind of go back in the website, then I kind of fix them. But the rest, I think it's done. When you click here, it goes. When you click on membership, I think everything it's done, except the manual ones. So the manual ones have to rectify them manually. So this is what how you can do when you're importing your website to the new. And some of you who may have forgot the, for example, if maybe forgot the username of your website, I think that would be another video how you can reset your database username, okay, via the DB, via the MySQL, okay. So if you found this video useful, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this about WordPress and designing. And also I do usually videos about how to make money online and other reviews, okay guys? So see you guys, appreciate a like, and bye bye.